In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to sort A to Z in Google Sheets. Whether you're organizing a list of names, categorizing items, or managing any kind of data, sorting can make your spreadsheet more efficient and easier to interpret. The first thing you need to do is open your spreadsheet in Google Sheets. This is your starting point. Make sure you have the correct file open, as selecting the wrong file may lead to sorting the wrong data. Once you're in your spreadsheet, take a moment to look at the data. It's essential to identify which column or range you want to sort, because this will determine the order of your data. Now, to proceed, right-click on the letter at the top of the column you wish to sort. By doing this, you open up a list of options specifically related to manipulating that column. It's helpful to right-click directly on the letter because it ensures that you're targeting the entire column, avoiding any possible selection errors if cells were mistakenly highlighted. After right-clicking, a pop-up menu will appear. From here, you're presented with a crucial decision: how you want to sort your data. If you want to sort the entire sheet by that column, you'll need to select the option labeled Sort Sheet A to Z. This choice will sort all the rows in your spreadsheet based on the order of the values in that entire column, which is perfect if the column serves as a primary category or key that you want your entire sheet to follow. On the other hand, if your goal is to sort only a specific part of your spreadsheet, you will use the option Sort Range A to Z. This option enables you to highlight only the cells you wish to sort, which is useful for targeted sorting within a dataset, for instance, organizing just one section without disrupting the order of the rest of your data. Choosing the right option depends on the context of your task. Sorting the entire sheet helps in uniform data organization across the board. However, sorting a selected range gives you precision and flexibility in managing specific segments within your data. This distinction is vital for maintaining your data's integrity. Congratulations! You've now successfully sorted your data in Google Sheets. Remember, sorting your data helps reveal patterns, making large data sets more manageable. Always double-check your sort to ensure your data aligns as expected, as sorting can impact formulas or calculations based on your data's arrangement. In summary, becoming proficient at sorting in Google Sheets not only streamlines your workflow, but also enhances your data organization skills. So, go ahead, apply these steps, and watch your productivity soar.